you guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to a layout for the scrap room, playing with one of the portions of the Flavors of the Month kit. Today we are playing with Pink Fresh Spring Vibes. Bring on all the spring vibes and the weather. It's pretty cold here yet in Minnesota, so I hope it's warming up for you guys, but I'm hoping to see some sunshine. We had sunshine here and there, not as much as I'd like, but we're getting there. Every month you can subscribe and get the Flavors of the Month kit or the Double Shot kit, or you can just do month by month, see what's released, pick and choose what you want. If there's leftovers, sometimes they sell out because some of them are amazing. Well, actually, I think all of them are amazing, but some of them are so amazing they sell super fast. So today I'm going to play with this Pink Fresh Spring Vibes and make a layout. Oh, I haven't looked at this very much, so I'm excited to see that yellow. But that is what we're going to play with today, and I'm just going to have a fun layout for you. We might be playing with a sketch from 30 Days of Sketches. I haven't completely decided that yet while I'm filming this, but I think that's going to happen. So let me show you what this kit all comes with. It's going to come with this white cardstock, My Colors. I believe this is by Photoplay. No, My Colors. Yeah, My Colors by Photoplay, mycolorcardstock.com. But you get 2 pieces of this white cardstock in your kit this month for March, and you get 3 pattern papers. We get Spring Vibes. This is Sunny Days. I love this with the stripes. The back is this beautiful green, almost mixed media look to it. And then we also get Take Your Time, which is the classic Pink Fresh word text paper with the multiple colors. I love it. Lots of fun. And then a beautiful blue plaid with a little bit of gray. It actually would go really well with that Lost Shadow. That is in there as well. And then this gorgeous yellow paper. It's on the B side. Moments of Joy. Gorgeous florals on this side, but this yellow is screaming to me. I love this yellow. I love that a lot. So you get that. You're going to get those 3 pattern papers, those 2 pieces of white cardstock, and then you're going to get embellishment. And these are all going to vary per kit, so don't be surprised if your kit, if you get this, comes with something different than mine. But everyone's going to get a row of enamel dots, and you know how Pink Fresh comes. So you're going to get one of the colors. I got this lovely pale peachy color that looks a lot like saltwater taffy. So saltwater taffy would go really well with this collection. And then you're going to also get some chipboard frames, and that's going to vary as well. I happen to get these ones. This Make Memories. It's that deep green, which I love. And then that saltwater taffy, and then it's almost like a little stamp. It says 5, but so that's the frame I got. And then you're also going to get some bits and pieces, and I got tons of florals, and they all match like this pattern paper. So, oh, and then there's some yellow. So some are just outlined in this saltwater taffy color. Some of these just leaves, a couple blue. So these are all going to vary per kit. I could have gotten a whole different variety of them, but that's what I got. So that is all I got in my portion, or this portion of the Flavors of the Month kit. Remember, the Flavors of the Month is 4 different collections you get each month. Like I said, you can sign up and auto, and you can skip months. It's awesome. Rochelle's great at running the subscriptions for it. But we're going to play. So I'm going to go find me some photos and start making a plan, and we'll check back in. Okay. So I was struggling a little bit with making this page, but I think I've gotten somewhere where I like. So I'm going to tell you what I've done so far, and then we'll kind of finish her up. So I ended up dipping into, I get the embellishment add-on and the pattern paper add-on and the Shots of Life kit. So I will then put all that stuff together. So this paper here is from the pattern paper add-on, but so far that's the only thing I've used from the add-ons, but I have some embellishments and things. This is from the embellishment add-on, and this is from the Shots of Life kit. So I'm gonna play with those things as well, but so far I like what I've created. So what I did is I trimmed down. Actually, first what I did is I tore the yellow paper. I had mentioned in the beginning when I was showing off the kit that I loved this yellow paper. It's my favorite. So I tore that down the middle. So now I have 2 corners left over, which I can use for something else, which is great. And then I wanted another pop of color, but I really wanted to use this word paper. I really, really like it, and I wanted to use it. So I grabbed that. and put those papers and tore some sections of this floor paper. What's fun about this paper though is I didn't have to tear on the diagonal because the pattern doesn't go one way or the other. It doesn't have like a specific direction. So I was able to just tear 2 strips off the top and use that. Now yes, this is a picture of my son. And it's not girly at all, but it does scream springtime to me. He's holding a baseball bat just in a driveway. And so I think I'm gonna do a title of Put Me In, and I'm gonna use the alphas I got from the embellishment add-on. I think I'm gonna add in this little flower somewhere tucked in this part. Tucked in somewhere in here was my thought. And I wanted to play with these stickers and the enamel dots that I got in mine as well. I also had the thought, because I really like these hearts, to add some modeling paste through a heart stencil, which I think I have. I'm pretty sure I have a heart stencil. If not, I'm gonna be super sad, but I'm pretty sure I do. So let me find that and grab some modeling paste, and I'll show you what I mean. Which is actually getting low. Okay, so it's gonna be here. I'm gonna leave that flower there just so I remember where that corner is gonna be. Ooh, this is starting to get kind of thick. Oh, yep, starting to dry up. I didn't seal it good enough. Okay. Luckily, a little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna go clean this up, and this dries relatively quickly. We're gonna start gluing things down. So you can just see that subtle little bit sticking out. I like that. So I want to use one of these frames. So I was gonna tuck this one, or yeah, because it's not really a frame. It's more of a postage stamp. I was gonna tuck him in here just to add a little blue down here. If I can do that. About putting this tag here with some string. But what color string do you use? Green? Not really. Pink. This blue? Yeah, we'll do this blue. I feel like I've used a lot of this blue lately. Okay, we got those. What else do we want to add in here? Oh yeah, I want to do my Put Me In. Beautiful soul inside and out. I like just tucking little things like that in. Put me in. Okay. There you have it, folks. There's my layout using the Pink Fresh part of the Flavors of the Month kit this month. So make sure, like I've said before, check out the Facebook group with all the fun challenges and the sharing. Check out the store. Go grab yourself a Flavors of the Month kit if you haven't yet already. And yeah, we will see you next time.